So under number 2, what we're talking about is outdated wills and estate planning. Is life does change. And let's say you have an estate plan that you've already prepared, but things have changed. The family has grown, or there's been a divorce, or there's been a death in the family, or assets have increased, or maybe there's some health concerns. Maybe we're talking about there could be some long-term care in somebody's future. There's, life happens, things change. When there's anything significant that happens in your life, you should talk to your estate planning and elder law attorney and say, hey, should I update anything? The answer might be yes, the answer might be no. Regardless, at least you'll have an answer as to, are you good with your estate plan, or are there changes that need to be made? You could actually be changing your estate plan too early, which I rarely say, but let me explain what I mean by that. You had your estate plan prepared in a particular state where you resided, and now you're thinking about moving to a different state. If you're going to be moving to a different state, you absolutely need to speak with an estate planning and elder law attorney in your new state. The estate plan that you have in your old state is legally going to be honored and enforced, etc. But that doesn't mean that it's the wrong estate plan for the new state. So if you've lived in California, for example, likely is you'll have a revocable living trust, because California is not a probate-friendly jurisdiction. Washington is. And if you've had an estate plan done in California and you're thinking about moving to Washington, I wouldn't recommend you talk to your California attorney about your move. Wait until you've moved to the new state, be it Washington or a different state, wherever you're moving. And when you move to that new state, then have your estate plan reviewed. When clients move from California to Washington and they have a revocable living trust platform as their estate plan, we often will change it to a will-based platform because of the advantages of having a will in Washington. Likewise, if somebody has a will in Washington and they say, oh, I'm thinking about moving to California, what do you think I should do? We tell them, we're not going to make any revisions to your estate plan because we're here in Washington. You're moving to California. Talk to the attorney in California, because they likely will change your estate plan from how we did it to how it should be done in California. What I'm saying is, maybe your estate plan was perfect for where you were at the time in your life when you had your estate plan done. But now things have changed. So now is the time to change your estate plan. Just if you're moving, wait until you move before you go see that new estate planning lawyer. And basically the rule of thumb is review your estate plan every 5 years.